too. And side.
In which class are you studying?
Yes, I'm reading class KG2.
What is the name of your school?
The name of your school is Giving Samson.
How old are you?
I'm studying
How old are you?
and 6 years old.
What is your,
YouTube Tataga.
what is your father's name?
Tataga YouTube.
Hey, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Nandita.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Erin Edison.